3 power x plus 3 power x plus 3 power x equal 20, and we have to find the value of x. So welcome back to my channel. So let's start with today's video solution. So to solve this exponential equation 3x plus 3x plus 3x equal 20, so I'll take 3x as common. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 20. So 3 power x times 3 equal 20. So if I divide both sides by 3, so it will cancel out. So 3 power x is equals to 20 by 3. Now I am taking log on both sides. So log 3 power x equal log 20 by 3. So I am going to use two log identities, that is log a power b is equals to b log a, and log a by b we can write it as log a minus log b. So let's substitute. So this becomes x log 3 equal log 20 minus log 3. So if I'll divide both sides by log 3, so x is equals to log 20 by log 3 minus log 3 by log 3. So this cancel out gives 1. So x is equals to log 20 with base 3 minus 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.